Deferrals can be used to defer both revenue and costs, and subsequently the system has a template type called a deferral template. We can click Tell Me and look up deferral templates. Now I have a template here I've created. Please note that the template type generally will apply to a set revenue or cost account. So as you can see here, I've used a sales deferral, but if I was to search deferral, there would be deferral for, costs versus income, balances, etc. So I'm just going to use the deferral template that I had there for sales. And let's walk through this. We've got a deferral code, we've got a description. Okay, the deferral can be pulled up on a sales document, it can be pulled up on a purchase document, and it can also be applied to the general ledger itself. Underneath here, we've got the deferral percentage. You can defer all or part of the deferral, or the amount to be deferred. The calculation method, there's a couple here. Straight line means that it will take from the starting date to the end date and calculate straight depending on each period. Whereas equal per period means that every period will be deferred the same. Days per period, meaning that it's deferring according to the amount of days in each period, and the periods are the accounting periods. Okay, and the user defined means you can basically configure this yourself. We're going to use a straight line. The start date will be the posting date, the beginning of a period or the end of a period. Okay, and the beginning or end of the next, the beginning of the next period or the beginning of the next calendar year. So generally speaking, we'll just start this as of the posting date. I'm going to take this over 12 periods, okay, and I'll put in a description here. So we've used percentage 4, percentage 6, which basically says for month and year. So it turns around and includes on the description that merges in. So if I was going to go create a new deferral, I was going to say this 6 and deferral, and we're going to make this on sales revenue. I'm going to make that over 6 periods, and I'm going to paste in that same description. This one, however, I'm going to beginning of period. I'm going to go beginning of next period. So beginning of the next month, write that down over 6 months. And that's your deferral templates.